Hey, welcome back. So today we started working on adding with dollars and showing our total coin amount using dollars. So you'll recall that we talked more about how we're going to start showing our money with a decimal point. This is a dollar bill. We talked about what all those other coins are worth, and then we talked about what the dollar bill is worth. Then you did some work of adding and subtracting total coin amounts using those dollar bills. So let's get started with what you're going to do next, which is working on actually solving these problems. All right, so when we count up and add with dollar bills, it's really not that different than adding with coins. In fact, in some ways it's simpler because dollar bills can only work in groups of ones, fives, and tens. They're no more $2 bills. So let's take a look at some examples of a problem. So let's say that you get this money. Here's a dollar. Here's another dollar. Here's a nickel. Here's a dime. Here's a quarter. And 2 pennies. So it's really not going to be any different than the way you've done it in the past. But you can count up the dollar bills by counting on. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to draw your dollar bills in order. So here's your 1. Here's your 1. Then you're going to draw your coins in order. I know my quarter is my next greatest. Then my dime. Then the nickel. Then the 2 pennies. So I'm going to start by counting on. I've got $1. Here, when I count on, I add a dollar, so now I've got $2. Now I've got $2.25. $2, let's see, 10 more than 25 cents is 35 cents. Now I've got $2.40. Now I've got $2.41 and $2.42. Well, so my total then is $2.42. So that is what this total adds up to be. Now notice that I made sure I wasn't counting any of them twice, and in fact I'm still going to try to remember to cross them off. So the only difference with the dollar is that now we're working with a dollar sign, and we're doing dollars, and then you've got cents. And it's your job to make sure that you make it clear which are the dollars, which are the cents. So now let's take a look, and I'm going to give you a new one. So let me give you 4 challenges here. All right, problem number 1. All right, so there are your challenge problems. Go ahead and get started.